In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails from monday.com. We'll walk through each step in the process, ensuring that by the end, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate email communications into your monday.com workflow. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your monday.com workspace. Once you're there, look for the apps icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Give that a click and search for email and activities. Once you've found it, select Add to Board. You'll then need to choose the specific board you want to use for sending or tracking emails, whether it's your client funnel, leads tracker, or another board that you're working with. With the app added, the next step is connecting your email account. Monday.com allows you to connect through Gmail, Outlook, or another email service using IMAP. Select the service you use, sign in, and allow Monday.com to access your account for sending and receiving emails on your behalf. Once connected, your emails will sync automatically with the chosen board. And here's a useful tip. You can connect multiple email accounts if needed, which is great for managing team inboxes all in one place. Next, we'll add the email and activities view. On your board, simply click plus add view, and then choose email and activities. This will create a panel where you can keep track of all email interactions related to any specific item on your board. Within this space, not only can you view sent and received emails, but you can also log phone calls, record meeting notes, and add any notes crucial for your internal tracking purposes. Now let's talk about sending an email manually. To start, open the item you're working on like a lead or a client entry. Within the item view, click on Email and Activities. Here you'll find the option to click New Email. When composing your email, make sure to select or type in the recipient's email address, which the system helps you with by auto-detecting from your email column. Add a subject line and then your main message, formatting it with bold text or links if needed. Once you're satisfied, just hit Send. Your email will be sent directly from monday.com, and the entire conversation thread will be visible in the Email and Activities panel for that item. If you're looking to streamline processes even more, monday.com offers the ability to automate email sending. Simply click Automate at the top of your board and choose a recipe that fits your needs, such as sending an email when an item's status changes to Done. Customize your message and make sure to activate the automation so everything runs smoothly. Tracking email replies is straightforward. When a recipient responds to one of your messages, their reply will automatically